What's up, you guys?
What up?
So we are on our way to our friend's house to go to the beach. Beach day. They said it was gonna be kind of chilly, so we'll see what happens. Are you going some?
I don't know. I didn't jump in the last time, so I might jump in this time. Just might.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna get in. I'll probably put my feet in the water.
You never get in.
I know.
This ought to be the time you get in.
Not if it's cold.
It's gonna be cold anyway.
I'm not
That's why they
getting.
got towels.
I'm not getting in if it's cold.
Just got to carry you in. That's it. I got on my Green Lantern shirt. I feel powerful. I have to carry you in though. Then we went on a hike yesterday. After the hike, I feel a lot more powerful. So get ready to take it.
I don't know about all that yet. Traffic seems to be moving pretty well. Oh, you guys, there goes the NBC building right there. It's like Universal. So,
Shutting the houses on the hill.
oh, and the house is on the hill. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can.
That was fun.
Huh, are you cold?
No, it's not really cold.